Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how we can create pivot table in Google Sheets. So let's get started. So here I have my data in my Google Spreadsheet, and this is the measurement data of trees in a forest. And here I have data of plot, category, tree diameter, and tree height. And as you can see here, I have a large amount of data, so it won't be efficient if I count or calculate this data manually. So I'm just going to use pivot table. So guys, I'm going to calculate the average of tree diameter and tree height and of each plot, and to make it more efficient, I'm not gonna use average function and calculate the average manually. Rather than that, I'm going to use pivot table. Okay, if you want to use pivot table, the first thing we have to do is selecting the data. So I'm going to select the data like this, and make sure that you select the header of the table, and the header of the table should be included in the pivot table. Okay, after that we can click on insert, and since we want to add pivot table, we can click on pivot table. Okay, and we have to choose where we want to put the pivot table. You can choose either new sheet or existing sheet, and if you choose new sheet, so the pivot table will be created in a new sheet, and I'm gonna go with new sheet, so I'm going to select it. After that we can click on create. Alright, and this is the pivot table, guys. Then we can edit the pivot table using this pivot table editor. And for example, I'm going to add category. I'm going to add category for the row, and for the column I'm going to add plot, and for the values I'm going to add tree diameter and also tree height, because I want to count the average of tree diameter and tree height. Okay, and since we want to calculate the average, or since we want to find the average, we just need to click on this option and we have to select average. And for tree height, I'm going to select average as well. Okay guys, and this is the result. So this is the average of tree diameter, and this is the average of tree height for each category and for each plot. Okay, that's so easy, right? Alright guys, and that's how we can create pivot table in Google Sheets. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.